What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another walk around video. Today we have this 1972 Chevy C10. We are going to try to cover as much of this build as possible here on this video, but at the end of the video we are going to leave the owner's Instagram name here at the corner of the screen, so you guys could contact him with any further questions on the build. This truck was repainted at some point. Originally it was a light blue color and it was repainted yellow. The truck has been lowered with CPP springs just to give it a nice stance. For the exterior, not much has been done to it other than these smaller side mirrors. I think this truck had the bigger mirrors on the doors, and they use these little bolts to cover the holes when they install these smaller mirrors. Still has the badges here on the fender, the custom 10 and the 350 badge. That, what is it, like a checker flag with the Chevy emblem on one side, checker flag on the other. Sitting on these Cooper Cobras. They are 275/60s. Not much wheel gap. I think the stance is pretty good on this truck. Show you guys the interior. So the bench sheet has been reupholstered, new carpet, has an aftermarket steering wheel, Dakota digital gauges, it has a polar shifter, it has a retrofit head unit, got the Terminator X down here. It has some kick panels for the speakers. It also has a vintage air AC system because this truck didn't come with AC from factory, so these were installed. I don't know if you guys can see the AC stuff down there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood for you guys, show you what's under the hood. So here in the engine bay, it has a cammed LQ4 6.0 liter engine with a T56 transmission. Has a 92mm throttle body. You can see it right there. It has some hooker headers, the shorties. And it has the full stainless steel exhaust system. I don't know if you guys can see it back there. It's kind of hard to get a shot, but it's there. It has the Willwood master for the clutch. Also has a custom intake, air intake. has an aluminum Champion radiator with electric fans. The vintage air system right here. Fuel pressure regulator up in the firewall. For the fuel system, it has a Boyd fuel tank. And the rear end is a 12 bolt with the True Track and 373 gears. It also has a aftermarket drive shaft. So here's the fuel tank filler right here. These trucks usually have the tank here behind the seat. This thing still has the tank back there, but it's not being used. So I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys could hear what it sounds like, and then we'll get a quick rolling shot. That's it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys could check him out, and also make sure to follow us on Instagram at @Yonke_OXC Films. I will leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.